This is an emergency video. If you hold XRP, the entire crypto market just dumped massively today, but I have some good news for you. Something very, very important that I need to share with you. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the end of this video. Look at this. The Ripple CEO says the XRP ETF is inevitable. We have to talk about that. We also have to talk about the market just fell off the face of the earth today. Bitcoin crashing, Ethereum, very big crash today. XRP pulling back a little bit, but something very interesting. It is bouncing very, very strongly. This is quite possibly the bottom for XRP. This could be the bottom for XRP. We've been holding at this level, this little range here for 3 weeks now. And we finally come down to this level where the institutions are buying, where whales are buying, and we have bounced significantly. So this shows a lot of strength for XRP. I am very, very, very bullish on the short term for XRP and even the long term, especially for all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has come down just as predicted. If you were in my Patreon, guess what? We longed Bitcoin at the very bottom, $60,000, and we shorted Bitcoin at the very top. I predicted this last week before anything of this took place, and guess what happened? We hit the exact level and are bouncing at the very exact level. We made a fortune shorting Bitcoin, taking profits on all of our altcoins, and we are now buying the dip. We're getting prepared to buy the dip to long Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on leverage. It's about to get very, very crazy. Another insane thing, you guys won't even believe this. Last night, if you were in the Patreon, I gave a meme coin at $190,000 market cap. And guess what? It pumped to nearly $3 million market cap. I gave it to the people on my Patreon around here. And they made a 10x gain. So 10x gain within hours. It's absolutely crazy. If you guys want to have access to follow all of my calls, meme coin alerts, that's making people tons of money, join the Patreon right now. I also have a school where I'm teaching people through the Patreon to become full-time traders like myself. So Bitcoin is bouncing, everything is bouncing, and in the short term, this might actually be the bottom. I think that this could be the bottom for this week, and we are going to start pumping for Bitcoin to all-time highs, maybe in just a couple of days, probably by this weekend. The market loves to pump on the weekends, but we are bouncing very, very strongly. This is looking incredible. This candle right here, ladies and gentlemen, on Ethereum looks incredibly bullish. The market is looking very, very bullish. In XRP, look at this 4-hour candle. This is way more bullish than Ethereum, by the way, but this is looking insane. Guys, look at Solana. Solana is just moving up. Solana ended up pumping. It's in the green today, despite this crazy crash in the market. We have an XRP ETF is inevitable. I need to explain to you guys what this XRP ETF means because it is extremely bullish. I'm going to be very succinct, and I'm going to tell you exactly what XRP ETF means and what does it mean for the price of XRP. I'm going to tell you right now. So XRP ETF, you have a whole bunch of people, older people that don't want to open a Coinbase account or a Kraken account to buy cryptos. It can be very difficult. You have to send money there. You have to buy the right crypto. Then you have to sell it. It can be very difficult and kind of hard to understand. And there's also risks involved because a lot of these crypto accounts, they're not necessarily insured like a stock broker account, like a brokerage account that you would open up with Fidelity or Chase or something. These accounts, these bank accounts, essentially what they are insured by the federal government. These crypto exchanges are not necessarily insured because you can get hacked, you can get drained. There are risks involving cryptocurrencies for sure. But there's a lot of people that have their money in these stock brokerages accounts. And these accounts total, especially in the United States, trillions of dollars, I don't even know how many trillions of dollars, but lots of money, lots of trillions of dollars in the stock market. And a lot of these people, they only invest in Apple and up some major companies like Amazon. But guess what? This is how these institutions work. They are run by the higher ups, and under them you have stockbrokers. Stockbrokers will suggest, hey, you should buy this stock or you should buy that stock. And guess what happens when these ETFs come out? And now all these banks are getting more into crypto. They're promoting it more. And guess what they're doing? They're telling the stockbrokers, hey, tell them to buy our XRP ETF. Tell them to buy our Bitcoin ETF, because these banks and institutions, they open up their own ETFs once they get approved, through the SEC. And guess what? When people buy and sell, they're generating fees and revenue when they're selling, and people are buying and selling and using these ETFs. And these ETFs are also backed by the physical coin. So these XRP ETFs, which are inevitably going to be approved, they are backed by the actual XRP token, which means these institutions, when people are buying the XRP ETFs, they have to buy XRP. And when they're selling it, they sell it. That's kind of how it works. And guess what happens? You have all these institutions, trillions of dollars, these hedge fund managers, these stockbrokers are telling their people, hey, buy the XRP ETFs. I think it's going to do well. Buy the Bitcoin ETF. Now, a portion of these trillions of dollars are buying these ETFs, and that has a massive implication, a bullish way, because guess what it's doing? It's pumping up the coins. You have all this crazy demand into the token. On top of that, you have the regular crypto market holders and buyers and sellers in the regular crypto market and futures and so many different things. So long story short, what these XRP ETFs do is you have trillions of dollars of untapped money in the stock market that will now flow easily into XRP and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but specifically XRP in this case with the XRP ETFs. It's about to get very, very crazy. The market is still very, very bullish. A small pullback and correction is completely normal and is going to continue to happen. But guess what? It provides buying opportunities for those on the sideline. Make sure you guys join the Patreon so you don't miss out on the next meme calls and the calls in the crypto market that we're making a fortune on. Make sure you were using ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing is absolutely crazy. You guys can try today for $1. It will tell you literally on every single cryptocurrencies when to sell. At the very top, it'll give you a sell alert. It'll tell you when to buy before the market pumps up. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. And even with the XRP, you got a sell alert before this last crash. You guys could have used that to buy more XRP with. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.